Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the suction strength on Mova E20. To do it, in the app, click on cleaning settings, and now here is suction power. You can set it to quiet, standard, turbo or max. Remember that the max mode will use more battery power, so if your flat or house is big enough, then it may need to return to its charging base for a moment, then resume cleaning after it charges, so it may need to do it in 2 phases. And you can also change the wetness if you are in the mopping mode. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.